that the rescue operations are underway. Continuous efforts are being made to rescue and evacuate the people from the worstly affected areas. But let me tell you that the location from where we are reporting is one of the most sensitive and critical zone. We'll be very careful so as to from where we are reporting right now, because you can see that there has been continuous landslide in this area. A portion of mountain has collapsed just moments back while we were moving from this area. However, efforts are being made by the teams, by the ITBP, by the security, by the NDRF and SDRF to evacuate this entire area. But as far as this area is concerned, you can see that how these stones, the pieces of stones have broken into small pieces. And as we report live along with our video journalist Mrityunjay, who is giving you the live pictures over here, we are showing you that how the devastating the tragedy is over here. And these are the live pictures that we are capturing. And as we report from here, we can also see there in the live pictures we can capture, and this is how the landslide happens. If we can zoom in and show that how these small stones, how these small pieces of the mountains, of the stones are coming, are just flowing over here along with the flow of water. And then the condition, when the condition worsens, when there is a downpour, when there is heavy rain, then this entire mountain collapses and then the road gets blocked. There is a mudslide, landslide in this entire area, and you can still see and we can hear the sound as well. It's quite scary, it's quite devastating, it's quite heartbreaking, and it's definitely very much risky over here. But on my right hand side also, the movement of vehicle has begun over here. But as we report from this area, I would also in fact like to show the viewers that on my left hand side was a mountain. This was the entire mountain that has completely collapsed. You can see in the visuals that this hilly terrain, this hilly area, this was a portion that's collapsed. We'll try to move just away from this. We'll not try to go close to this area. But you can see also that how the JCB and other mountain cutters stone cutters are deployed over here, and that's why this entire road was blocked earlier, and this is the reason why it's taking time. And the atmosphere, the weather also, you can see that it's so foggy that you cannot even the visibility level is quite low, 50, even